Hey there, I'm going to try to demonstrate the problem with your Kenwood CD player. I had it fully taken apart and I'm just checking the motors and the transistors, and it's really just a mechanical problem. So I will go ahead and let's eject it and then put it back in. So for some reason, there's a motor under here that's supposed to catch this gear. There. Okay, so if your laser pickup mechanism is not lifting to the CD and your CD is not spinning, so this is the lever area where this pickup will lift. This is how you change the belt. I'm going to take off these two screws here, and then this will lift off. And then there's these little roller things over here. You'll take that off. Then your tray will just come out. And then the belt is located right there. And I was able to get it out with tweezers and find a tighter belt.